Evil Crossover back with another review slash installation of the Curt 13472, again model 13472, class 3 2-inch trailer hitch. Now this is going to be on a 2025 Honda Pilot Elite model. Now if you're not looking to get it from the dealership and trying to save some money, this is the way to go. So you purchase this Curt version, again 13472 is the model, and you can install it yourself. So it's pretty simple. It comes with 6 bolts. These are easy to install on these Honda Pilots. I had a 2022 and I got one for that one, and now this is the 2025. So pretty simple to install. Only 6 hex bolts. They're the M14 -1.5 by 40 millimeter CL 10.9, and there are the 6 washers that come with it, the 9/16 inch washers. So pretty much 6 bolts. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually lower the spare tire here. And how you do that is you go into here, you open up that flap, the spare tire flap, and you just lower down your spare tire. So that'll be your first step on doing this. And then once it's lowered, you're definitely going to need at least 2 people to help you, push it in. So there is a little flap on the bottom here. So let me show you what we're talking about here. So right underneath, there's this little flap underneath where this trailer hitch comes out. So you're definitely going to need someone to help you install these bolts right into it. So the 6 bolts, so 3 and 3, just to install underneath here, and it goes right above this little flap. So you definitely need someone to help you out so you can get it right above this flap, and it's perfect, nice and sturdy. Use a torque wrench to get it on. And this is the Curt 13472 model. If you're looking to get it, this is the 2025 Honda Pilot Elite model. Definitely the way to go to save some money, and it's pretty nice and sleek on there. Again, just 6 bolts, 3 on this one side, 3 on the other side, and you're good to go. You get to put in a 2-inch receiver here. So we're going to put a bike rack on here, a tele bike rack, and then we'll call it a day. So definitely this is the way to go. Definitely get yours. We'll catch you on the next video.